Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a PlayStation 4 controller with DS4Windows. You will need to download the DS4Windows application, which allows your computer to treat your PlayStation 4 controller like an Xbox 360 controller. This expands compatibility significantly, letting you use your favorite controller with many more PC games. Head to the official GitHub repository, find the latest stable release, and download the zip file to your system. Once you have downloaded and extracted the DS4Windows zip file, launch the application. The program will typically guide you through the initial driver setup. Click the Install VI GM Bus Driver option, which is crucial for making your computer recognize the controller. Follow any prompts to ensure the driver installs correctly. This step usually takes less than 1 minute to complete. Connecting your PlayStation 4 controller is quite simple. You can use a standard micro USB cable, plugging one end into your controller and the other into a free USB port on your computer. For a wireless experience, navigate to your computer's Bluetooth settings. Put your controller into pairing mode by holding the PlayStation and share buttons together until the light bar blinks quickly, then select it from your computer's Bluetooth device list. DS4Windows offers extensive customization for your PlayStation 4 controller. You can create multiple profiles, each tailored for specific games or playstyles. Dive into the profile editor to remap any button, adjust the joystick dead zones for precision, or fine-tune trigger sensitivity to your liking. Additionally, explore options like changing the light bar color or modifying the vibration intensity to enhance your gaming experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.